Hello, in this video I show you how to correct scaling problems on your Office applications or on applications. So when you have system is in German, I have to excuse for this, but you will find the same problem on your machine. So when you go to your display, monitor display, like this one on the desktop, go to the monitor settings, click on your monitor which you have, and then whenever you have here the scaling, and the scaling is more than 100%, then you will find that you get sometimes problems with older Office applications like this. This is an old Access database, and in here we have the diagram should be like this and a bigger size normally, and this is a former chart 8 program or control. Where is it? The setting is in here like this. It's a Microsoft chart 8. So how can we solve that problem? I have already written it on my small blog. We go to the program. If you have this problem on there, we go to your program and the Office path, and then we set the compatibility. Select your application, go to problems or solve the problems, and then you will find the program or app is open but not viewed the right way. And then you say program is set the settings of scale is the scaling is the problem, and then you may test it. And after this you may set up this accept these settings. So what we do now, we say like this, we go here to our path. Now let's start the Explorer, go to the PC, programs, then here to the Office 2016, Office 365 is on the default path folder, and then you have a root folder there. You have Office 2016, then you find your Microsoft MS Access. You see here that's a graph exe which makes that problem. Then you go on there, the right mouse, compatibility. You go there, say solve that problem. It's opened, but it's not shown the right way. When now you set the scaling makes the problem, and then you may test it, and then you may set it, and the program will run. I can't do this because I already have set this point. And you will find the description on my website, on the blog already. Also, it's on my in German. But if you like it, make a thumb on that. And it's not only Office programs; it's also other programs.